Coin price forecast projects a 1.3% rise for Tether Gold by June 30. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Tether Gold has fallen 0.3% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $4,057.20. Let's shift to the analyst projections. According to Traders Union, the price might ease down to $4,008.90 by June 30, a reduction of 1.1%. CoinCodex suggests Tether Gold could slide toward $4,049.93, losing approximately 0.1%. Gov Capital Collector points out the chance of reaching $4,083.82, a projected gain of 0.7%. A different projection by Coin Price Forecast notes Tether Gold could edge up to $4,108, about 1.3% more than current levels. Finally, CoinDataFlow suggests a move to $4,232.14 by tomorrow, roughly 4.4% above the current price. This is the most lucrative forecast so far. 5 expert insights done. Let's carry on. Let's move from the forecast to the numbers behind them. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decline of 1.1% to an increase of 4.4%. That means CoinDataFlow is forecasting the highest return with 4.4% gain in value by June 30. To sum it up, you could net between $1 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinCodex has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 72.9% chance of success. After aligning all forecasts, I've mapped out a clear consensus scenario. The consensus outcome points to Tether Gold being valued at roughly $4,096.56. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus projection shows the price up by about 1%. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. A 1000 setup might point to a potential $10 increase. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Tether Gold is about 63.1%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. Traders Union believes the chart points to a decline. Stability is emphasized by CoinCodex. Tether Gold may advance, Gov Capital Collector also notes. An upward drive is similarly anticipated by CoinPress Forecast. Additionally, CoinDataFlow sees the chart tilted toward growth. The consensus stance presents Tether Gold trading quietly within a limited band over the next 3 days. Overall, 80% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Tether Gold. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Today, we'll see which ones matched reality. In the end, the final close was $4,055.40. 3 out of 5 analysts were correct about the trend. Looking strictly at accuracy, digital coin price turned out most accurate. Now let's structure the results. 3 forecasts landed within the candle. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from digital coin price with 0.4%. Here's the results overview, a compact comparison of every forecast. In comparison, CoinPress Forecast was assigned a forecast probability of 63.2%, $60.60 in accuracy, and minus 0.5% ROI. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for Tether Gold alongside a few other coins. Here Tether Gold trails behind, while PEEP takes the lead, showing 2.7% in forecasted returns. This segment compares Tether Gold with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already accessible on my website. If this helped you stay informed faster, give it a like. It's the best motivation to keep doing more. See you in the next update.